Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the function after auto reset on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the home page right here. Now let's go to menu and here select Preferences, Timer and Energy Settings, and right at the bottom here, as you guys can see, without scrolling of course, we will have the settings. So let's go back. Here we have the default function, or we can change it to selected function. And now here I'll show you another method on doing that. So as you guys can see, we are on the site right now, the site of our printer. Now we are in the timer settings, and here in the edit, we will be able to change it. We have it right here, the function after auto reset, and we can either select default function or selected function. It all depends on our preference. Now I'll change it back to default function, click OK, and it will automatically be applied for our printer. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.